It's just like she said. All ganging up on the girl. Those two look like twins.
Yeah, they do. Tink tink.
Oh, yeah, check that.
You wanna know if their eyes are tired? Jasmine, I'm gonna push on your belly, okay? CMPUA and chest X-ray.
Hello.
Jasmine, it says here you're scheduled for a living donor transplant next week, but I'm thinking they may move it up to today.
They found you a donor? That's great.
Mm.
Somebody on the list. Looking for a actually.
Maybe some food?
Oh, what they do for you.
Yeah, I talked to Jim.